Live.
Okay, people, it's me, the Grand River Nipper, and we are at the Nut Buccaneers. Today, look at this brand new shotgun. And remember, do not try this at home. You want to try it? Try it with a different weapon. This is not for you. So we'll get this open.
There is a line cutter on that. Try using that.
Oh, line cutter?
Yeah. At the back.
Okay, let's see. Oh, okay.
Yeah, my knife needs a little bit of sharpening.
Ooh, check this out. Nice. Ooh. Ooh, feel it?
Better.
Right?
In fact, I think that has an indicator.
And check out right, my man, right.
Oh yeah, this has an indicator. Right back, right here at the orange.
To let you know,
spots.
you can fire one or both.
You're gonna
And
have to do a
this how you
second
load the shotgun.
front barrel loading. Fires 2 darts with 1 big trigger pull. If you were a little softer with your trigger pull, you'll probably
Fire one.
We'll probably be able to fire 1. Smart AR system, most likely.
And
It's saying most likely because I haven't seen the fire yet.
A loaded gun of Rocket 2x4. Now let's go to firing, shall we? And you all know my host, the Hound of Nerf Wars. Yeah, with shot are the chin. Get shot as in this is it. Shot gun. Ooh. Lucky. Do you like it? Oh, my friend, can we get this channel up to 1 million subscribers? Please? Because it is.
That's a little high of a goal. Let's start in stepping stones. Let's go 100 subscribers.
Yeah, and you sure about and get 100 subscribers? You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna show you crazy Nerf weapons you've never seen before. Crazy mods. You look up Nerf mods, you see them, but these are new and they're crazy.
90% of them are my designs. Thank you very much. Cause I'm the smart
And you
one.
wanna know how to fire one at a time? Slowly pull the trigger inch by inch until you get it first.
I don't think that one has such an option.
So, watch this. Pull this little pump, it's a pump action. You saw my brother shotguns. Let's show them one more time.
I have the Nerf brain saw, which is a reskin of that with some extra tuning, so it fires 1 barrel, left, right, left, right.
And what kind of shotgun is it?
This is a pump action. I have a break action. This is not Nerf, but it's still fires. It's off brand Nerf. I call it Nerf gun. And then I have one of Nerf's most recent shotguns. I don't even think I can get it all in frame, but we'll try. The Nerf Flip 32.
It's a lever action, so you gotta prime this right here.
Yeah, it's lever action. Here, go ahead with that. Real quick so I can show them the operation. Just grab it right here. Forward.
Back. And fire it. But don't careful with that trigger.
I have operator speed, so I actually fire it. So I actually prime it with only 3 fingers. It takes a lot of endurance.
But,
It's called a flip because.
oh, I did not see it. One more time. Whoa!
That's why it's also called 32 because each side is.
It's the same number of these. 8 round. 4 right here. 4 here.
8 on each side, so each side is 16 by 16, 32. Comes with only that amount of darts. Fine with me. It's a big, heavy item. Compared to brain side, this thing's light.
Ooh, Cody, hold that pose. You look like a lumberjack. Comment down below. Do he look like a lumberjack? wearing the lumberjack shirt. Only now a pair of overalls.
The sword is family. Tell me to get that reference.
Yeah, I don't cut it, good, because it's a chainsaw. We don't have to pump it, good, because the pump hasn't. Second. Ooh, he got a brake. Quickly show us how to use the brake.
Prime it. Load it. I got one side full of darts. We're going to spin it because we're extra dangerous. Groovy.
And where you get that line from?
Evil Dead.
The movie. And also, you're not old enough unless you're in high school. Then you're old enough.
Or you're a big old adult.
Because, name of the movie again?
Evil Dead.
Evil Dead is a horror movie.
Really?
It's scary. It's a scary movie. And not for little kids. Sorry. But it is for people who are in high school. Because they're old enough to watch a horror movie. And Cody?
Yeah.
You mind going and get the logo? It's on the wall. Comment down below how you think about the Rock Cut 2X4. This awesome shotgun. And you know, shotgun has a clip and call a stock, but this is a handheld shotgun because it's stick, lovely grip. Because I wish you're here and feel it. Oh, so smooth. Yeah, it'll help you aim accurately. Oh wait, I didn't time it. No one's here. Here is the Nerf Buccaneers. And you take a closer look. It's the same model. It's the same shotgun.
It looks like you got some stickers to remove.
Yeah. And this is full dark blue of this color, but this has white. Blue, light blue, dark blue, and white. And black for the words.
I don't think they need a color palette, thank you very much.
Oh. Anyways, good, you might hold the camera. One more time. Watch this. Oh, it feels so good. Let's pump it. Fire it. Because these are just so smooth.
Now, I'm going to show you guys some operator speed.
Okay. Oh, wait, check out Lumberjack hammer. Ooh. Hammer as in, no, not hammer. Operation.
Break action speed. Hold you around, you mean?
Okay, why is your shotgun not firing both? So when you open it, there should be none in the tube.
Yes, hold you around. There. And finally,
yes, time for the big boys.
two, and this one might take a little bit.
Because that is bigger. Because that's bigger than all your shotguns. Ooh. We went through this pump. Now we're going to break, and then finally, ooh, flip on the lever action.
Only one dart misfired. 32 rounds.
Corey, I think you need to.
Have my,
Oh, Corey, I was about to tell you need to pat it in more. And you just gotta just like in these guys, you make sure you take it out and re-pat it in properly. Make it nice and tight in here. Then prime it and unleash the pew pew.
I was actually smacking myself in the head. I was so fast. I didn't get my shoulder properly.
Anyways, thank you for watching the Nerf shot class
Shotgun class
of the
Nerf
Buccaneers. I am the Grand Reaper of Nerf Wars. He's the Hound. See you later. Bye. Great. Yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and bell. See you. Bye.